Hello everybody, this is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. This is my subject and I got this image by Adobe Photoshop. Use filter called Find Edges. Well, I'm a photographer. I shot this image for several years ago and I'm going to try some kind of creative image from this image. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to move this layer in between these two line drawing type and the base image. I'm going to change the blend mode of this pencil drawing type image, normal to darken, and I'm going to change this base image just opacity down to about 30% or so. I just see, and I'm gonna paint it on this layer in between these two images. Now I'm gonna try paint skin tones first. Check. I'm gonna use a watercolor wash blot first. To the side of the nose. Okay, and also skin tones, hand. Okay, now I'm gonna blend a little bit too light, huh? Okay, I'm gonna add some more darker. Just a touch more. I'm going to add some water too. And highlight side. Okay, just a touch small. Now hand. I guess a little bit more darker. Much darker, huh? Okay, finger is just, I'm gonna erase here. I want to put a little bit more pinkish nail. So I'm gonna use eraser. Then let's find a little bit nice pinkish color. This, once dried, I don't see color. Oh, it's eraser too. Okay. I guess. Okay, I'm gonna put it on the here. On this. Touch pink, huh? Okay, I'm gonna add some yellow to blend. Do it again. Okay, now I'm gonna draw on her lips and eyes and stuff. Add layer. Then change the brush to basic watercolor. I'm gonna add, I think I add. Okay, I'm gonna put on this layer. Change the brush to watercolor round detail. Now I'm gonna put a little more highlight. Tone down and okay, let's see now. I'm gonna add hair on this layer. I'm gonna march down later. Last thing, I'm gonna march down with the face and lips and stuff. Now I'm gonna paint on hair on this layer. I go with a little bit big watercolor wash black. Go for light side of the mid-tone of hair color and size. Now I'm going to add water to blend these. I'm going to tone down this pencil drawing type image. Okay, I'm gonna add some eyebrow here. I see on face. Okay, and I'm gonna touch up some on eye, a little more dark. Okay, that's fine. I'm gonna make mask to reveal this photo image of her face. Now I'm gonna go background and this sphere mirror ball. Well, I'm gonna draw on this her shirt first. I'm gonna dry this. Okay, that's enough. Now I go this mirror ball. This image I'm going to add for mirror ball. This, first of all, we have this line image, this image. I guess I'm going to clean up this first. Well, it's about 70% showing, and let's see. I'm gonna make mask on this, create empty mask, invert mask. Now I show reveal on this Well, okay, basic to soft round opacity to reveal this pencil drawing type. Its opacity 100 now. Show the circle, little circles. Kind of looks like a dust. It is dust. Only the circles I want. Well, that's enough, I think. That's about it. Now, about this image, it's nothing now. I'm going to paint on this. Since we have this dark reflection from the ceiling, so I'm going to add here. Okay, I'm going to put on watercolor on this layer. So I'm going to add the layer over this base image. Then I'm painted on this soft brown opacity to maybe just use the white. Yes, on here. Just paint it on to hide this dark reflection from the ceiling. Okay, now what I'm gonna paint it on here with watercolor. Okay, let me try on watercolor wash flat, preview. Let's see. I don't know. Kind of interesting. I'm gonna erase this outlines. Erase this one. Well, let's see what it looks like if I add this way. Now dried. Now let's see, add yellow, orange, very saturated orange on this. Interesting. Oh, I got it. I may add some skin tone color here, huh? Okay, I'm gonna erase around here first. Then maybe add skin tone. Goes to yellowish more. Kind of interesting. Well, that's kind of interesting image. Okay, darken and opacity, mask 100%. And then what else? I'm gonna tone this one down. You see the image. Okay, now I go background. Finally, background. I'm gonna add layer here, just over this base image. Okay, background. Now I'm gonna reveal this image. Now I'm gonna opacity 100%. Then I'm gonna create empty mask, then invert mask. Now I'm gonna choose painting 2, wet brush 2. This kind of cloud look brush to reveal. Wet brush 2 has much dark stain type brush texture, so I'm gonna change to wet brush 1 to see difference. Maybe this is much smoother, maybe, I don't know, let's try. Yeah, that doesn't have black stain type, so I'm gonna hide this first, then again reveal some. Okay, I'm gonna touch up some this base image here. Okay, now I'm kind of almost done. Yeah. Okay, that's it for today, and thank you for watching my video, and I really appreciate for your support. Well, see you next time, guys. Have a nice day. Bye now. Ciao.